Google Workspace is the leading digital ecosystem for your business. Learn the ultimate tips and tricks in this week's blog post and podcast.
So, let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you're just scratching the surface with Google Workspace? Like you're stuck on easy mode, but you know there's a whole other level of power you're not using? Well, today we're flipping that switch. We are going to go deep and turn you from a workspace apprentice into a full-blown productivity wizard.
I just love this way of putting it. A bustling digital city. It's so true, right? You log in first thing in the morning and bam! You're hit with this wave of emails, calendar alerts, and files needing your attention. It can be a little overwhelming, but just like any city, once you have a map, it's not so scary. In fact, it becomes easy to navigate. And that map? Well, that's what we're building today.
So what is Google Workspace really? At its heart, it's a cloud-based ecosystem designed for one big thing: collaboration. What that really means is no more emailing attachments back and forth. You know what I'm talking about. Getting lost in a sea of files named Final version 2, I swear this is it, .docx. Nope, none of that. Everyone can work on the exact same document at the exact same time. All right, let's get you that map to your digital city. The goal here is simple. By the end of this, you're going to be able to take all that digital chaos and turn it into a smooth, efficient workflow. We're turning Google Workspace into your own personal command center. First things first, like any good construction project, you have to start with a solid foundation. So we're going to begin by laying the groundwork for your digital home base. Getting these first few things right is going to save you so many headaches down the road. Trust me. Okay, 3 crucial first steps. 1, if you're a business, get that custom domain set up. It just looks more professional. 2, and this is a big one, please do this. Secure your account with 2-step verification. Think of it as the digital deadbolt on your front door. It's so important. And 3, get familiar with the app launcher. You know, that little waffle icon in the corner? That's your key to the entire city.
Okay, foundation is set. Now it's time to get into the fun stuff. The core tools that are going to become your everyday power-ups. Really mastering these is what unlocks your day-to-day productivity.
Let's kick things off with Gmail. I want you to stop thinking of it as just an inbox. From now on, it's your mission control for all communication. It's the central hub where everything important, messages, tasks, you name it, all comes together. Here are 3 tips that'll absolutely change your Gmail game. First, use labels, not folders. Why? Because you can slap multiple labels onto a single email. It's way more flexible. Second, automate everything with filters. Let the robots do all the tedious sorting for you. And my personal favorite, schedule send. You can write your emails at 2 a.m., but have them land in your boss's inbox at a respectable 9 a.m. It's brilliant. Next up, Google Calendar. If Gmail is mission control, think of your calendar as the air traffic controller for your life. It helps you manage your most precious resource, your time, and keeps you from having those dreaded scheduling collisions. So, how do you master your time? Easy. Share your calendar with your team so everyone knows who's busy when. Use appointment schedules to kill that endless what time works for you email chain. And with just one click, you can add a Google Meet link to any event. Virtual meetings just got way easier.
Okay, let's talk about Google Drive, because this is a big one. The #1 point of confusion is always My Drive versus shared drives. It's actually really simple. My Drive is for your stuff, your personal files, your rough drafts. Shared drives are for the team's stuff. Files in a shared drive belong to the whole team, not to one person. So if someone leaves the company, the files stay put. This is a total lifesaver for any team project.
All right, now for the creative powerhouses, docs, sheets, and slides. This is where the magic of real-time collaboration really happens. I'm talking about your whole team working on the same document at the same time, like you're all sitting right next to each other.
Seriously, just imagine it. You can literally see your colleagues' cursors moving and making edits live on your screen. You can use comments and suggestions to leave feedback without messing up the original text. And if you ever make a mistake, version history is your own personal time machine. You can go back and restore any previous version of the document. It's an absolute game changer. Okay, you've got the basics down. You're feeling good. Now, let's level up. Because real mastery isn't just about using the individual tools, it's about connecting them into one seamless workflow that just works. So here are 3 ways to start connecting those dots. Create a shared team calendar specifically for project deadlines. Suddenly, everyone's on the same page. Instead of making copies of files, use Drive shortcuts. It's like putting a signpost to the original file in multiple folders. So you get one file, multiple ways to access it, and 0 confusion.
And my personal lifesaver, enable offline mode. Now that spotty train Wi-Fi can't stop you from getting your work done.
Look at you. You've got the foundation. You have the intermediate skills. You're starting to see how all the pieces fit together. So, are you ready to go from just being good at this to being truly unstoppable? Because it's time to unlock the wizard-level secrets.
Welcome to the big leagues. These are the power moves that are going to automate the boring stuff, connect all your apps, and truly turn your workspace into a productivity engine that works for you.
Now, we won't get too technical here, but I just want to give you a taste of what's possible. With something called Google Apps Script, for example, you could automate sending a personalized thank you email to every new client. With marketplace integrations, you could connect your favorite project management tool and turn any email into a task with one click. And with some advanced formulas, you could turn a boring spreadsheet into a dynamic sales dashboard that updates itself in real time. See? Power moves.
But you know what? Maybe the most powerful wizard move of all isn't some complicated script. It's learning how to use Google's incredible search power inside Workspace. This is the skeleton key that will literally save you hours every single week. Just look at this example. Instead of endlessly scrolling through your inbox for an attachment you know you saw last month, you can just type this simple command. And boom, there's the exact proposal from that exact client instantly. Learning just a few of these search operators for Gmail and Drive, it's like giving yourself a productivity superpower.
So, I'll just leave you with this question. After everything we've talked about today, from the basic foundation to the wizard-level power moves, is your Google Workspace just a collection of tools you use, or is it your own personal operating system for getting things done? The power is right there at your fingertips. Now, go make some magic.